Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and in today's video we're going to talk about Hero that has unveiled the Vida concept bikes and scooters, and it also has a small surprise for us, and all this is coming from Eicma 2025. Now Hero MotoCorp's electric segment Vida has revealed several concept bikes and scooters at the Eicma 2025 event. Now these concepts will hit the Indian road in a few years, and to our surprise they also revealed their small electric concept car. Now let's talk about the Hero Vida concept at the Eicma 2025. This lineup consists of two models, one for adults and one for kids. Now the Dirt.E K3 concept is for kids who want to learn off-roading. It comes with 3-level adjustable suspension which can grow in length and height as the child grows in the years. The production version will make its debut soon, and Hero has already started pre-bookings for this motorcycle. Now the Dirt.E MK7 racing concept is a high performance off-road electric bike, and it is for adults. It was designed and built on a lightweight carbon fiber frame based on the Dakar racing bike. This bike isn't road legal and will be sold only to people who are willing to learn proper off-roading. Now let's talk about the Vida Novus concept. Now there are 3 models in the Novus concept. The NEX1 is a portable electric scooter perfect for college students. It is foldable so that the students can use it like a backpack. The NEX2 is a 3-wheel electric bike designed for urban commuting. The biggest surprise came with the NEX3, which is a small electric car. Now this shows Hero's ambition to enter the electric vehicle segment in the future, and it is also built to tackle the city traffic. Now let's talk about the Vida Ubex concept. The Ubex concept is based on a supermoto design which looks like the Ducati Hypermotard V2. It has the same sharp beak at the front fender and connected LED headlamps and maintain a slim profile. The long travel suspension can handle bad roads perfectly well, and Hero says that this bike is built on a modular platform that will have different battery, range and power outputs. Now we have the Vida Project VxZ concept, and this bike is a fully city-focused bike for urban rides. The VxZ concept is developed by Hero in collaboration with Zero Motorcycle USA. This is a high-performance electric motorcycle, and it will take on the likes of the ultraviolet F77 in a few years. It looks like a naked sports street bike with floating LED DRLs and a muscular tank. Now this bike also gets a gold finish inverted fork, bi-brake brake calipers, a split seat and wider handlebars for a perfect city ride. So these were the concepts that have been unveiled by Hero at the Eicma 2025, and if you want to hear such news, please follow Drive Spark, and I will see you in the next one.